This is the stairway to heaven. That is the actual name of the place, okay? I did not make that up. All right? So I think this is going to be our third viewing point. Really excited to kind of see really excited to kind of see what we're in for. The first one was just mind-blowing already, or the second one was crazy, and the third one, we're almost there. Pretty excited. I got my big baby here to take some nice photographs. Oh my gosh, we're here. Oh, we're here. Oh man. Oh, see the mountain drink, the beer. We gotta take a picture of that. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh my god. All of a sudden I'm afraid of heights. See the mountain beer. Y'all are ready for this view? All right. No one is up here except for me right now. They're taking their time. Oh my god. This is crazy. See the mountain bear. Pizza. I don't want to get too close to this. Because you slip, you go all the way down. All the freaking way down. That's crazy. Oh wow. I'm waiting for y'all. This is unbelievable up here. Come on. I can't be seeing this by myself. Let's glance at their facial expressions when they see this view. They're almost there. Wow. It's just a little bit. Come on, almost here.
Oh my God.
Yes. Yeah. Janelle. I'm waiting for your reaction to the view.
Holy shit.
That's crazy, right? And we still have this is the third one, right? Mm-hmm. This is the third viewing point. I gotta save my battery, y'all. I gotta save my battery. One more glance. One more glance. I wish the sun was down more. It would have been totally off the chains. But right now, that is crazy.
So where's Jalousie?
Our eyes. I don't think the lens can capture what our eyes are capturing. So that's just amazing.
Diving in a resort as well. So that's the only place in St.Lucia where we can stand between the two pitons. 3 miles from top to top, 1.5 miles from base to base, bottom to bottom. So over here this is PT Pito. PT means small, Go means big. This one is more like rock climbing, half trail and half rock climbing to the top.
That's
To
super CT, sorry
yes.
to interrupt you. That's super, super CT, sorry, super.
And that's
Town, right?
Go Peter.
Over here,
Right?
that's it.
Yeah, super.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's Go Peter.
All right, so with my GoPro on 4%, we finally reached the ultra point,
That's the ultra
the
point?
peak point
Oh my goodness.
where you see everything.
So
I'm
Oh
gonna
my
do a
God,
panoramic here.
Yeah, you
A panoramic.
Everything,
Panoramic here.
right?
need to. Okay, the sun is really bright.
Oh, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it,
Yeah,
wait for it.
you don't disappoint at all.
There we are. This is nice.
So right now we are standing on the highest plateau in St.Lucia where people live.
Okay.
600 meters above sea level,
Oof.
with a 30-degree over 60 panoramic view of a quarter of St.Lucia.
Mm. This is amazing. All right, y'all. This was absolutely amazing. All right, so people, it seems like people like to enjoy some pita beer on top of this place.
Yeah.
Like Peter on the Peter.
Then, this is Peter on the, what's her name? Tet Paul.
Peter
Paul.
on
Tet Paul tree.
Peter on the
Ultra.
Tet Paul.
The head of
Ultra
Paul
tree.
Point.
But this looks absolutely amazing.
Mm-hmm.
The point is, when you live in a flat area
Mm.
and you come up here and you see all the houses on the hills, you see how everything is. It just looks.
Seeing some real. Oh my god.
Wow. So
We
that's
on
view
top
fort
of-
to the end there. That's view fort we seen right down to the end.
Yes.
We
See
on
that?
top of it. I'm really high here.
Yeah, so he's saying the highest living point.
Look how I stick my finger.
Absolutely
Thank you, Mola.
amazing. I have nothing but good things to say about this trail. It was exhilarating. When you hike up, it's like when you really feel that dopamine in your system because there's so much fun happening and you finally see the viewpoint. Nothing really compares to that experience. Like you feel like you worked for it to see this view.
Do we need to go here?
Today is very hazy, very overcast. So imagine if you came down here and the sun was just, you know, really chill and the clouds were very beautiful. The experience would have been much more incredible. And for me, this was a well worth it trip. So yeah, y'all have to come. Tet Paul Nature Trail. Y'all have to come. It's a community project. Y'all have to come and support this place. So we climbed the trail. We saw all the viewpoints, which were absolutely lovely. And now we're heading back down to the down the trail.
Paradise.
Heading back down to paradise. So this overall was just absolutely amazing. I can't wait to reach back down because I just need some water. I need to relax. But overall, this was fantastic. I'll see you when I reach down the trail.